Are you sick of cranky data table builders that still make your data look messy? Well, it's time for a change. Because with Ninja Tables, you are guaranteed to have your data, no matter what kind, neatly tucked in stylish tables. Hi, I'm Priyam with WPManageNinja. We love creating slick, user-friendly WordPress plugins, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to Marie Kondo your data with Ninja Tables, a reliable data table builder for WordPress. The plugin comes with a wealth of features. Use it to create beautiful, personalized data tables that are responsive, secure, and easy to make. It's super intuitive and user-friendly and offers tons of integrations. There will be a lot to unpack, so let's see how fast we can go through it all. Ninja Tables offers your customers the premium shopping experience with WooCommerce product tables. Just take a look. Apart from being super pretty, it lets you find any data instantly. Have all your data in Google Sheets? You can have the whole thing on your website in a jiffy. Change data in Google Sheets, go grab a coffee, your data will be synced before you're back to your desk. But don't stop there. Add images, videos, or any kind of multimedia. Now it looks like a complete product table. Ninja Tables comes with WP Post built in. Get all your WordPress pages, posts, and other items nicely sorted in a table. No need for any add-ons, plus you can integrate advanced custom fields with your posts. Are you also using the fastest form builder for WordPress? Grab all your data from Fluent Forms and have them sorted in personalized tables. Attach forms in Ninja Tables and now you can fill them up directly from tables. Is that nifty or what? Sure, drag and drop makes creating a data table a picnic, but some of us don't have the time to make every single one. So we use templates, lots of them. Just choose what you want to make: pricing tables, product tables, comparison tables, and most importantly, beautiful, colorful tables. Have your brand design integrated in your product table, cause why not? Your customizing options are endless. But you don't have to do everything by hand. You can set up a bazillion conditions and your data table is going to highlight cells that match. Find the right data and make it clickable with value transformation. Bonus: get your table data portrayed in savvy charts and graphs. Feed Ninja Charts your data and get back an insight. Import, sort, organize, customize, and your data tables will be looking perfect whether you're on your phone or laptop or tab or Nintendo. Okay, maybe not Nintendo. Ninja Tables also comes with custom filters, custom CSS, lets you import and export CSV and JSON files. I could go on if I wanted, but that would be way too long. Ninja Tables is already one of the most popular table builder in the market, and you'll get the hype once you take it for a spin. Hit the link in the description and enjoy a special discount before the offer goes poof.